No one should have to win the employer lottery in order to receive the benefit of long-term leave.
And lawmakers want to make sure workers across the state, regardless of their job, have access to that. A bill at the Capitol would create a state-run family and medical leave insurance plan. Now, under this program, you could get up to 26 weeks of paid leave. Our state Capitol reporter, Theodora Coulivares, is live at the Capitol. So, Theodora, who would qualify for this?
Well, Jennifer, any worker in the state who earns at least $1,600 in a year would be eligible for the program. And some workers say had this been in place before, it would have helped them. When Christina Green was pregnant with her first child, she says she learned she would only receive 2 weeks of paid maternity leave at work.
At the time, the private school I worked for had a tiered system for maternity leave.
She says that people who worked at the school for 7 years would eventually receive 12 weeks of paid maternity leave. As a result, Green says she had to make financial sacrifices.
I used a week of paid vacation time, and I also had to withdraw money from a retirement account that I had. My husband also worked a second job to close any gaps in income that we would experience during this time.
But a bill in the state capitol aims to provide 26 weeks of paid leave to Illinois workers. That includes anyone dealing with a serious health condition, allowing family members to take care of a sick family member, and to take care of a new child. And the proposal, called the Family and Medical Leave Insurance Act, would give anyone who is pregnant an additional 26 weeks of leave.
They need to be able to take paid family and medical leave when they have a family member that's ill or an expecting child coming into the world. That is just something that they're asking for, and quite frankly, they deserve.
Business groups say this will help small businesses that might not have the resources to offer paid leave to their workers.
That's why it's so important that state lawmakers enact policies and programs to support and empower these entrepreneurs, helping them provide paid leave as a benefit to their employees.
Under the program, workers can earn 90% of their average weekly wage if they make 50% or less of the state's average weekly wage. Reporting live in the Capitol, I'm Theodora Coulivares, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Theodora, thank you so much.